Hello, welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you non-progressive verbs. Non-progressive verbs. They are also called stative verbs. They describe opinions, possession, emotions, states or qualities, and senses, not actions. That's why non-progressive verbs never go with an ing form. I will give you more examples through this chart. Have a look. When you want to talk about your opinion, you can use verbs like know, believe, understand, prefer, agree, and many more. You say, I know you, or you say, I don't believe you, right? Never with an ing. And when you want to talk about possession, you say, I have a car, or you say, I own a restaurant, or you can say, this does not belong to me, right? Never with an ing. Next one, the ones that refer to emotions, love, hate, need, want, and like. You can say, I love you. We never say, I am loving you. Yeah, I love you, or I hate you. Or you can say, I need you, right? When you want to refer to states and qualities, you can use verbs like weigh, contain, depend on, involve, and deserve. You can say, do you deserve this? Or you don't deserve this. Or another one, weigh. How much do you weigh? Would be a good example. You cannot say, how much are you weighing? That's wrong. How much do you weigh? Okay, senses is the last group we are looking at. You can use the verb hear, seem, appear, smell, and resemble to look like someone in the family, right? Right, you can say, oh, I hear something. You cannot say, I am hearing something. I hear something. Or you can say, this smells great. What's this food? Right, with no ing again. So, this chart is a good brief summary of non-progressive verbs. Look at the examples one more time. I said, I know you, and I have a good job. What about you? I love you, we mentioned. It depends on you. It depends on your decision. Or you can say, I understand. That's okay. Let's practice with pictures. Look at the pictures and use the keywords to make complete sentences. Picture 1. She prefers pink to black. Yes, she prefers pink to black. Picture 2. They don't agree with me. They don't agree with me. Picture 3. He is a shoemaker. He owns a small shop. He owns a small shop. Picture 4. I possess magical powers. I possess. Picture 5. They have just voted, so they own a house now. They own a house now. Picture 6. He loves her. Yes, he loves her. Picture 7. She needs to hurry up. She needs to hurry up. Yes, picture 8. This food contains a lot of fat and calories. This food contains a lot of fat and calories. Picture 9. He worked really hard. He deserves a good holiday. He deserves a good holiday, yes. Picture 10. He seems tired. He seems tired. Are you ready for the final practice? Please read the sentences and choose the correct form with me. Number 1, I am understanding, or I understand. Which one? Of course, I understand. It's a non-progressive verb. I understand. Yes? Number 2, I'm not understanding, or I don't understand. Which one? I don't understand, of course. And number 3, we have I don't believe it. When you're surprised, yeah, I don't believe it, or I'm not believing it. It's a non-progressive verb, so you cannot use it with an ing form. Yes, I don't believe it. Number 4, I'm loving burgers, or I love burgers. Here we have emotions and another non-progressive verb. I love burgers. This is apparently wrong. Next one. Are you hearing me? Or you say, do you hear me? Yes, senses here. Do you hear me is the correct one. And number 6. These boxes are belonging to me, or these boxes belong to me. Which one? Yes, these boxes belong to me is the correct one. And the last example. It smells horrible, or it is smelling horrible. Yes, it smells horrible. Of course, it's another verb of senses. Good job, everybody. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We have learned that non-progressive verbs describe a status or quality of something, not an action. That's why we cannot use them with an ing ending. For example, it's good to say, I prefer dark colors. You cannot say, I'm preferring dark colors. No, that's wrong. Or you can say, I need a new jacket. You cannot say, I'm needing a new jacket. That's wrong. We also learned that we can group them under 5 headings. We have non-progressive verbs of opinion and perception. For example, understand, believe, and so on. We also have verbs of possession, like have, own, possess. And verbs of emotion, like love and hate. Verbs of state and qualities, contain, weigh, deserve, and so on. The last group is for senses. We have verbs like seem, smell, resemble, and so on. Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!